what you just saw was an example of a weak UI. I'm going to show you how you can make your UI much better. The default browser behavior is that it's going to give you outdated rigid alignments, harsh box borders, and default font system. How you can make it better is that you can make it high-end by adding linear cursor, stripe, and other depth to make the UI immediately earns users authority. We can give light physics such as ambient backlight, specular borders, and contrast hierarchy. It will just give the UI a much more neater look while making it look more simpler. Then we have different types of UI designs such as glassmorphism, which just adds a backdrop blur and styles that liquefy soft blend and page elements to scroll underneath them. Then there is segmented control, which basically just replaces the basic HTML radio options with tactical sliding pill controls, which I'm going to show you on and later in the video. It's just more responsive and more satisfying to click on. And then there is microtelemetry, which is just like adding little GUI in there, and it's just gonna make things look much cleaner and a little bit much better. These are like the three main things that you can add to make your website much better. Then we have different styling controls like re-engineering your whole website. You can do styling control with CSS integration, contrast harmony, user feedback, and technical feed. This will all make your website much more cleaner. Then we have a prompt that I have made much better with all of the stuff that we have learned. I've made this prompt using AI itself, and I've told it what I want and how you can make it better is that you give it the prompt. You tell it, I want a Trello website and I want to make it feel premium. I want to add glassmorphism. I want to make the UI feel much better. These are the colors I want to use. I want you to use CSS, add blur, add everything, and it will just make your website feel much more premium. And now we will try to paste this prompt in ChatGPT or Gemini, and it will give you a much better website. As you can see, this is one of the outputs that I have gotten, which is much better compared to the previous time. This output seems much more neater. There's an actual calendar compared to the last time where there was literally nothing but a plain white box with options to choose from. I've added color, backdrop blur, neon glow, and the buttons actually feel nice to click on. This is another one of the examples. The buttons are smooth, the animations are clean. You can change the date, you can click around, figure out, you can type in there, and it's just a better and neater way to make your UI feel much better in websites.